First, let me show you this channel called Rico Animations. If you look at the numbers, it has nearly 13 million subscribers and surprisingly, only around 24 videos uploaded. Now, if we talk about estimated earnings and total views, everything is clearly visible in front of you. The channel is generating massive traffic. When it comes to views, we are talking about tens of millions, even hundreds of millions per video. And yes, the estimated monthly earnings are 5K plus, with an average video length of around 12 seconds. Overall, you can see the complete channel stats here: total subscribers, total views. Everything is impressive. This channel is highly trending, viral, and fully monetized, so there is nothing to worry about in terms of monetization. Now let us click on the popular shorts section. Look at these views. Unbelievable. 200 million, 145 million, 120 million, 92 million. Honestly, I was shocked seeing these numbers. It is hard to believe that such simple-looking shorts can get this level of engagement. They may not look extraordinary, but the performance is insane. Crossing 1 million, 100 million, even 200 million views consistently. It feels like my eyes got tired scrolling, but their views never stopped growing. Every single short is trending and going viral. So today, I am going to teach you how to create similar Stickman-style viral shorts and how you can use this strategy to grow your own YouTube channel. First, let me show you a few sample videos.
Just 5 more minutes, he said. But it's already 3 a.m.
And finally, he starts thinking about his life.
Why are we even talking about this? It is completely useless!
You're the one arguing over useless things, not me!
You can already see how engaging and visually appealing they are. Now, without wasting any time, I have already prepared a master prompt for you. This master prompt includes a complete story idea, full storyline 10, consistent image prompts, and 10 matching video prompts. You can also see it includes character design and style story requirements, scene by scene, image prompts, and scene by scene, video prompts. Do not worry, the exact prompt I'm showing you will be available in my YouTube description. You do not need to write anything manually. Just copy and paste it into ChatGPT, and it will generate everything for you automatically. Now let me copy this prompt and move to ChatGPT. After pasting it here, simply click on Generate within seconds. You will see that it creates a complete story scene by scene breakdown, 10 image prompts, and 10 video prompts. As you can see, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, all the way through. Everything is generated perfectly. The same goes for the video prompts. All scenes are ready and aligned. This proves that the master prompt is working efficiently. Again, you will find this prompt in my YouTube description, so no need to worry. Now I am quickly reviewing all the image prompts. They are unique, well-structured, and perfectly optimized for trending content. Yes, everything looks great. Both image and video prompts are aligned and high quality. Now let us move forward. Copy all these prompts, and I recommend saving them in a document file. For example, I am using Microsoft Word to organize everything properly. As you can see, I have saved both image and video prompts successfully. Now I will copy the first image prompt. And finally, let us move to the tool we are going to use today. A 100% free tool where we will generate both images and videos. So let us get started. All right, viewers, now you need to use Google Labs, Flow AI, as you may already know. Tools like VO and other Google AI apps are part of the same ecosystem. And today I am going to show you again how to create Stickman-style images and videos using Flow AI. So let us get started. First, click on the Create option. After that, select Create with Flow and then click on New Project. Once you do that, you will see the interface open with options like Start Creating and Drop Media. Now, if you look at the image tools, there are multiple options available such as Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro. But for today, I will be using Nano Banana 2. After selecting it, you can set your preferred resolution. Then simply paste your first prompt and click on the Generate button. Within a few seconds, your first image will start generating. And as you can see, it is ready. The result is impressive. A clean Stickman design, clearly showing the character using a mobile phone and even expressing laziness visually. Now let us move to the second prompt. Copy your second prompt, paste it, and again click on Generate. After a short wait, your second image will also be ready. In this one, the Stickman is waking up late, continuing the story perfectly. This way, we are building a complete story sequence step by step. Next, I will copy the third prompt, which is about going to school, paste it and generate again. After waiting a few seconds, the image is ready. Now I will repeat the same process for scene 4. As you can see, each scene is being generated smoothly, whether it is a school scene, a business scene, or daily life activities. Even the businessman scene is generated perfectly, which shows that the prompt is working very effectively. Now instead of wasting your time, I will quickly paste all remaining prompts. Scene 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 one by one, and generate them. And now you can see all images are ready. Each image uses a consistent Stickman character. In some scenes, he is studying, in others, walking slowly, going to school, or performing different actions. Overall, the character consistency and storytelling are excellent. And again, all these prompts will be available in my video description. Now from here, you need to download the main scenes one by one, especially the ones you want to convert into videos. Once selected, download all your preferred images. Great, now all our images are ready. Next, let us move to the video generation part where we will add motion and voiceover. Click on the video option. The aspect ratio is already selected, so no need to change it. Now choose the image you want to convert into a video. After selecting the image, you need to provide a video prompt. You already have your video prompts generated, but here is an important tip. You should also add a short voiceover line to make the character speak. For example, in scene 1, I wrote just 5 more minutes, but it is already 3 a.m. Now paste your video prompt, add the voiceover line and click on Generate. Your first video will start generating. After a short wait, your video is ready with both animation and voiceover.
Just 5 more minutes, he said. But it's already 3 a.m.
And as you can see, the output quality is really impressive. Now repeat the same process. Select the second image, paste the prompt, add a voiceover, click Generate. Wait a few seconds and your second video will be ready. We will do the same for the third and fourth images as well. And just like that, within about a minute, all videos are generated complete with voiceovers. Flow AI does an excellent job in both image and video generation, especially for this type of Stickman content. Now download all the generated videos one by one, because we will combine them into a single short video. Once downloaded, open CapCut. In CapCut, go to the Import option and import all your videos. After that, arrange them one by one in sequence to create a complete story. Now you might notice a small logo or watermark at the bottom VO icon. To remove it, simply click on the scale option and zoom slightly. This will crop out the logo. And just like that, your final smooth video is ready. Now preview your video. Everything looks clean and engaging. Finally, click on Export. And there you go. Your final video is ready. Oh my God, just boom. The result looks amazing. Clean, engaging, and perfectly styled. You can easily recreate similar Stickman videos by following this exact process, upload them as YouTube shorts. And yes, this type of content has huge viral potential and strong chances of monetization. So viewers, I hope you really enjoyed today's new idea. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.